Delphi Glass has over 2,000 styles of glass, so don't let finding the perfect piece discourage you. Allow our glass finder to help find just the right glass for your projects. Our glass finder can be found by typing delphiglass.com/glassfinder or by simply scrolling to the bottom of our website and clicking on Glass Finder. Begin by using our filters to help narrow down your search. For each of the 6 filter options, you can make multiple selections to narrow your search. Choosing a selection for each option is not required. You are able to search by manufacturer, fusible and flame working COE, color, transparency, which you would use this field to search specialty finishes such as dichroic, iridized, and mirror glass, format, which is the filter you use to find frit, rods, tiles, and sheet glass, which is the default when searching and format is not selected, and lastly, thickness of glass. By selecting just a few criteria, you can refine the glass selection to match your vision fast and see all the options on one screen to make finding that perfect piece easier. For example, let's say today I'm looking for a piece of stained glass. I would prefer to use either Kokomo or Wismac. There is no need to run 2 searches for each brand. With our glass finder, you are able to search multiple options. For this search, I have selected Kokomo and Wismac as the manufacturer and pink as the color. As you can see, our glass finder has searched the entire website and pulled 13 pieces that match my criteria and has eliminated all the others, allowing me to shop just one screen instead of going back and forth between categories. In another example, let's just say you are looking for fusible glass for an ocean-inspired project. The rest of my glass is bullseye, so I have selected bullseye from the drop-down menu. I have chose 90 COE for the COE. I chose the color blue. And I've decided I'd like an iridized coating, so I select that under transparency. The format has sheet already as the default, so no need to change that. And I've selected thin for the thickness. Our glass finder has searched the entire website and pulled 9 pieces that match my criteria, allowing me to shop just one screen. But let's just say after seeing the results, you no longer want to have just iridized glass. Simply click the iridized selection from the drop-down again, and it will remove that criteria. Now I have 39 pieces of glass, including transparent, semi-transparent, opaque, as well as iridized. Our glass finder just doesn't give you the option to search sheet glass. It also allows you to search dichroic glass, frit, rods, and tiles. We hope our glass finder takes the guesswork out of finding the perfect glass for your next project.